Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Factorize given polynomial, and this is the polynomial that is given. So u square minus 1 plus 2c minus c square. If we observe, two perfect squares are written negative here. So what we'll do, we'll try to turn them positive. So to do that, we'll have to take minus 1 common out of these three terms. So we'll get 1 minus 2c plus c square. Now this bracket has turned into a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So using this identity, we can write this as u square minus 1 minus c whole square. Now this looks like a square minus b square, which we can write in a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So u square plus 1 minus c, u plus 1 minus c, u minus 1 plus c. Let's see, let me correct it. There will not be square here. So this is the complete factorization of given polynomial. This is answer.